Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change time frame in TradingView. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure to log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you can go to the charts of any stock. Here you can see the chart icon at the bottom, tap on it. Right now, I'm in the charts of Adidas. Here, right above this toolbar at the bottom, you can see my current time frame is set to 1 day. Tap on this time frame. It will open a menu showing various options. For example, if you want to analyze short-term trends, you can choose the time frame between seconds. For the long-term analysis, you can choose the daily or weekly time frames. TradingView also allows you to customize your time frames. So here you can see the Add Custom Interval button. You can tap on it and choose your custom option. So you can choose your preferred timelines. And once you select the time, it will be directly applied to the charts. So there you go. That's how you can change the time frame in TradingView. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.